What's up everybody, how are you? Welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Blackveiw R3. This is my newest smartwatch. Yeah, I have been using this smartwatch for a while now and I think this is the perfect time to do an honest review video. Well, at the beginning, how much does it cost? This one costs only $35.99, so this one belongs to budget category. But before we do the unboxing and do this review video, if you end up liking this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing. After opening the box, the first thing I have noticed is the user manual. I really like this user manual because there are a lot of pictures and illustrations. Everything is described very clearly. There is a very good quality proprietary charging cable included inside the box. This is a USB-A based charging cable. It's very good to see that Blackview has included an extra watch band inside the box. This one is very comfortable and at the same time fashionable. I would use this one rather than the other TPU silicone band which comes pre-installed. Okay, let's check Blackveiw R3 Smartwatch. Even if this is an affordable smartwatch, in hand it feels very good. Build quality is amazingly well. I really didn't expect such a good build quality and finishing. Every cutouts and corners are built with precision. The Blackveiw R3 comes with a TPU silicone watch band. This one is good, very comfortable, and yeah, we can easily interchange watch bands without any hassle. I have mentioned earlier, I prefer this one. This one is far more comfortable and this watch band actually lifts the face value of this smartwatch. GloryFit is the application which is required to pair this smartwatch with a smartphone. There are tons of watch faces and I am amazed. Wow, it will take days if not months to try all those watch faces. Let me try a few of my favorite watch faces. Let us check the display panel. This Blackveiw R3 comes with 5 built-in watch faces, so without pairing this with a smartphone, we can easily flip through between 5 different watch faces. There are 12 workout or training modes like running, walking, yoga, jumping, hiking, badminton and a few other. There are a lot of features like breathing exercises, stopwatch, timer, music and settings. In settings, we can select watch faces, there is a QR code to pair, information about this smartwatch and an option to reset this smartwatch. There are some other options like night mode, find your phone, info and brightness. The display panel of this Blackveiw R3 can go very bright. There are 4 brightness levels. Even if this is an LCD panel, under sunlight, it is pretty much visible without any issue. If we swap from left to right, there are a few features like breathing exercises, sleep time monitoring, SpO2, blood oxygen measurement and heart rate monitoring. Both the blood oxygen measurement and heart rate monitoring works very fine. Okay, there is an analytics page where we can check our step counter, calories burned counter and training time. I have noticed heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen measurement of this budget smartwatch is far better than its competitors. Okay, after watching through this video, what do you think? I like this one because this one comes with very minimalistic design and looks so simple. I believe the word simplicity would be the perfect word for this smartwatch. For $35.99, I think this is a very good purchase because especially heart rate monitoring is a lot better than many other, and this minimalistic simple design, this one looks fantastic. Considering its build quality and all the features, I would say I have no problem to recommend this one to my friends and subscribers. If you're looking for anything below $40, then you should check this one. Well, that's all about this Blackveiw R3. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, then please don't forget to make a comment in the comment section below. Also, if you want me to review any other specific smartwatch, please make a comment and let me know the name. I will buy that smartwatch and definitely I will do a dedicated review or comparison video.